We've got to dust these off. Same goes for you too, my precious. Oh no! I need to fix this right away. How terrible!
No,
Hold on a moment. Whoa! Have you seen yourself in the mirror, Ruby? Ew! Gross! Excuse me? Phew! Caught you! So bright! Hey there, hot stuff! That's our emerald! Yeah, very funny! What was that? OMG! Just look at that guy! He's amazing! Hold your horses, bestie! That hottie is mine! Don't make me laugh! Huh? Where'd all that come from? Hey there, hot stuff! There's a VIP party going on, and you're invited! Oh, it all looks so great! Tastes a bit strange, though.
What?
You know, I should really be going. No one can resist my emerald shine. Isn't she weird? Hey, watch where you're going. My bad. I didn't mean to. Don't get in my way again. Oh, and here's something to remember me by, loser. Wow, so passionate. Will you please go out with me? You wish. My love, please don't go. It just keeps happening. Boys will be boys. Our first day on campus is so exciting. We're finally getting our own room. You have got to be kidding. It's so plain. But I know how to fix this. With my emerald powers, of course. Wow! Abracadabra! Now that's more like it. I'll be living in style. Whoa! We're allowed to do that? I'm not passing that up. Just gotta find my magic gem first. How'd that get in here? Ah! Here it is! Diamonds are my best friends! Looking great! Whoa! So cool! You're amazing, bestie! Hey, what's up with her? A moment of your attention, please! I'm about to show you something really cool! I'm all psyched up! Here you are, my precious! Well, anything you want to show us? Don't fail me now, Ruby Power! It worked! Just like I told you! Yeah! You sure were amazing! Thanks, besties! Healthy body, healthy mind! Never skip your workouts! Diamond is working hard today! We've got new equipment! Let's see! That one is so pretty! But it's too light! Bingo! That's perfect! Whoa! That's heavy! Phew! I did it! One more time! Alright! How you like that? Get it! Take that! Hi-ya! Whoa! It's harder than I thought! Phew! Time for a break! Oh! Water! Why are these gloves so uncomfortable? Hey! Gimme! Hey! That's unfair! Huh? Were you talking to me? I am completely unperturbed! And so, very calm! Take that, you sparkling bully! Time to teach those two a lesson! We're in big trouble, aren't we? Oops. Calm, quiet, and inner peace. All right, class. Time for a chemistry lesson. Although, I could use these reagents. It'll work out just perfect. I'm finished, Miss Johnson. I've never seen a diamond of that size. Big deal. Watch and learn. You're about to see some real magic. Voila! An emerald plant. Not bad at all. Let's take a closer look. What an unusual plant. Seems like I caught the emerald fever. Oops, I didn't mean to. Still, that's a solid B. I'll show you who's the best chemist around. Ugh, that's the wrong color. Then try this. Ugh, that's the wrong consistency. But I can't give up. I have to do better. I'm sure something will happen if I just mix all of these. Something went wrong there. Well, Ruby, where's your project? Right here. Just look. Oh, here it is. So tiny. I'm sorry, but that's an F. The gem triplets are so cute when they are asleep. Oh. An open window? I'm in luck tonight. Let's see what we got here. Starting from over there. My goodness! This will be a perfect crime. All right, get in my bag now. Just like that. Whoa! A real ruby! Come here, you! Ha-ha! This is too easy! I can't believe my eyes! This emerald necklace is worth a small fortune! In the bag it goes! Now, what else do we have here? A diamond ring! Don't mind if I do! Ugh! It's tight! I can't get it off! Almost got it! Just a little more! Phew! Am I great at this or what? Time to get out of here! What was that? What is going on in here? Excuse me, sir! You're in big trouble!
No!
Calm down, ladies! Time to use our gem powers to the fullest! Let's go! I learned my lesson! I wish I could see my gems just one more time! I can't believe they're gone! Life can be so cruel sometimes! Huh? Are you seeing this too?
Oh!
We have to get back to the jewelry store! I just miss them so much! Huh? Am I dreaming? My gems!
Oh,
You
yeah.
returned to me! Yay! I missed you a lot! Please don't leave me ever again! We won't! I love you so much! There's someone I'd like you to meet. This is Mabel, your new classmate. Hello, everyone. Mabel is perfect. She's so nice, so modest. But that's not the only surprise for today. There's another new girl in our class. Mabel's sister, Jessica. She's so luxurious. Oops! Being rich is not a guarantee of popularity. Come on! Oops! That's embarrassing! Welcome, Jessica. Take your seat. Are you okay, sis? The day is not going well. You're here, too. Jessica's not popular at all. It's so annoying. And I will ask, Jessica! And here comes the first win. Jessica will now show what she can do. She's got a report on gold, the most important element. It's a projection. This hasn't happened in school yet. However, we have a problem. The classmates are about to fall asleep. But Jessica can't be stopped now. It's time to show her who's boss here. And her technology failed. That's embarrassing. We have got to get rid of this now. Turn it off. And you, stop laughing. They haven't had this much fun in chemistry in a long time. Your turn, Mabel. Yay! Now this is going to be interesting. Come on, Mabel. You can do it. And Mabel prepared something special. A real performance. A TikTok-style tea party. We only need a tea bag and water. And now for the secret ingredient. Bravo, Mabel! A few drops of potion and it's done. And the teacher gets to try it first. It's magical. Mabel deserves a round of applause. But she's the best cheerleader. Hey, sis, we're on the same team. Oh, yeah, I am so glad. Why does everyone love her so much? That's right, pom-poms. Mabel could use them too. I have an idea. A good time for a prank. So, Mabel, you got a new uniform? Let's fix that. And Mabel has her own pom-poms now. But there's a problem with the shape. It is hopelessly spoiled. There is one way out. If you go over the yellow spots with a marker, you get funny smiley faces. And Jessica is already in practice. Hi, boys. Ready to rehearse the new stunt? Sure thing, Jessica. Ready? Then I'm going up. Simple as that. Jessica is shining like a real star. Oh no! It's too bright! My eyes! Hey! Hold me! No way! Let Jessica rehearse alone. I'm sorry! I am so late! You look cool! And most importantly, you're not blinding us! Jessica has failed again. But she's not going to give up. We have to trap Mabel's biggest fan. And Lay has a treasure waiting in his locker. Wow, a gold bar. Gotcha, pretty boy. Congratulations, Lay. You are going on a date with me. Waiter, how much longer? Here comes dinner for the couple in love. Go, Mabel. Don't bother us. The date is going according to plan. Although, Lay is a little nervous, but a kiss will change everything. Oh no! Somebody, help! It seems there's no way to save Lay. He's in serious trouble. But Mabel will try. Jessica, get some rest. Lay, let me help you. Be patient. It's almost over. You're my hero, Mabel. Who ruined this great date? That's Mabel's style. She's going to regret it. Look, there's food left. This is the dream date. It's time to solve this mystery. Why is Mabel so popular? She doesn't have any money, but she's got a lot of friends. All right, let's go scouting. Here comes Mabel. Why is she always smiling? This is weird. Mabel seems to be up to something. These guys look suspicious. They're also asking for money. And Mabel gives them the last of her savings. Yup, the fans loved it. This is the secret of her success. You have to be kind, and then you'll be popular. Do you need money? Take it. Buy yourself something nice. Mission accomplished. Jessica will now become popular. Hey, lady, can I have some money? Let go of me. It's time to get out of here. He smells so bad. Now they are fighting for the money. Oops, sorry. I'm leaving, okay? They didn't appreciate Jessica's efforts. She only made it worse. So, we keep looking. What's she doing there? Ugh! Mabel is so sneaky. She decided to help that old lady cross the street. What a scammer! And the other students are excited again. What's the big deal? Crossing the road. Anyone can do that. I'm here, ma'am. I'll take you across the street. But I don't need to go there, kid. I don't mind. Let's go now. Mission accomplished. Jessica is so smart, but the old lady isn't happy. Oh, Jessica got it bad, and the old lady has to wait for her superhero again. But the investigation continues, even on the test. Okay, let's see. Mabel helps Thomas with the test, saves him from a bad grade. How noble! And Thomas got an A. Mabel, you're a real friend. Help someone with their test? Easy! Lay, give me your test and don't argue. Now let's solve all the problems. Give it to the teacher, guys. Stop, Jessica. A good grade is in the bag, Lay. Mr. Pete doesn't think so. That's an F. Jessica, what did you do? Break isn't going great today. It's so boring. But Mabel's going to fix it. Guys, I have an important announcement. A kiss for $1. Who's going to go first? No way. Mabel is so sneaky. And there is a whole line of fans waiting for her. But Jessica had a better idea. She'll pay for the kiss herself. Any candidates? Anyone at all? But the line is empty. But Mabel's business is booming. Stop! One buyer has no money. But he knows what to do. It's time to go to Jessica. But no kissing. I'll just take the money, okay? Martin has a fortune now. And for that, he gets a lot of kisses. Dreams come true. He gets kissed by Mabel. How could he? Mabel! That's not fair! But Mabel can kiss for free, too. Mabel is so sweet, but she doesn't deserve her popularity. Music turns work into fun. Mabel is so talented. Whoa, nice! There's a talent contest going on right next door. And the contestants are not doing so well. But Jessica is going to win for sure. Her money dance is something special. Oh, only the finale is a little off. I'm fine. Don't worry. Ta-da! Don't spare the fives, gentlemen. But the jury is so finicky. And now Mabel takes the stage. And that's something to see. What grace! What talent! Oh, sorry. I was just cleaning up in here. Mabel, take your time. You win. Thank you. This is so unexpected. And the star gets a generous prize. Mabel is first again. But Jessica still has a trump card up her sleeve. Oh no! Her again! Look what I got! It's the latest model! Do you like it? Yeah. Jessica does it again! It's better to pretend we're deaf. Bye, boys! Bye-bye. Call me if you need anything! Oh no! Today is clearly not her day! And why are these expensive phones so inconvenient? But Mabel doesn't have a new phone. It's the old-fashioned way. These paper cups are better than any smartphone. Mabel, what is this? It's a phone. You talk here, hear it from here. Wow, it's working, isn't it? Communication check. Thomas, we hear you fine. Guys, we're going to have an amazing party. I'll be right there. An amazing party? I don't think so. Mabel doesn't have any money at all. Juice and a cardboard video game console? Not much. But Mabel is so cute. You don't want to upset her. But there are more surprises to come. Who wants birthday cake? It doesn't look so good. But Mabel tried so hard. This party can't be saved. But Jessica is about to break up this boredom. Hello! Who wants food? Oh yeah! That's just what the party needed! Let's hit it! And dance all night! Now Jessica is popular too! Because good always wins! And what's a birthday without a song? Make a wish, sis!